Hello friends, welcome back, and if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. I have a short plant video to share with you, and this is my Portulaca afra variegata. Look at the beauty of this particular plant. It's a beautiful plant. I had bought a tiny plant and this is how big it has grown. Besides, from here I have taken a cutting and have also put it in a different pot, which is also growing just wonderful. Look at the leaves. Now let us move on to our Kalanchoe. This is the panda's paw, which had almost died during the monsoons. I don't know why. I think it was waterlogged or what, I don't know, but yes, it's doing well now. This is one of the pretty succulent that I have in my collection. This is the Graptopetalum Super Bomb, and yes, I just love it. Now, showing my succulents, I have to show you my golden sedum. You all must be wondering every time she shows, but yes, they are so beautiful. That's my sedum, which is also growing just wonderful. Do you see the tiny white roots there, ready for propagation? It's a beautiful plant. I just love them. Now, admiring the succulents, how can we forget our very own pothos? This is the Marble Queen pothos. Look at its beauty. Each and every plant has a beauty of its own. Look at it. Oh my god, it's looking so pretty. And these plants, pothos, syngoniums, etc., ferns, can be placed in the room, and yes, it is going to change the decor of the room. And I had to show you my Kalanchoe variegata. Look at the beauty. It is just coloring up in the winter sun. I had shown you earlier, but this time again I had to show you because it has gone more intense. These are the plants I keep showing again and again. Look at my bougainvillea. Hardly any leaves in the plant, but blooming at its best. Now let's move on to our Aglaonema. Look at the vibrancy of this particular plant. It's a beautiful plant. Look at it. And yes, this plant too can be kept indoors for a few days. I don't recommend keeping plants indoors for a longer period, but when it is kept for a few days, it is going to do just fine. Actually, keeping it indoors for a longer period is going to harm the plant. And look at the blue sky today. Everywhere there is a happy mood. So this is my Aglaonema. Now let us move on to our peace lily, which has also started showing its variegation. This is the Spathophyllum variegata, and look at it. This too looks just wonderful. It's a gorgeous plant which can also be kept indoors for a short period. Now this is my syngonium, one of my favorite syngoniums, Strawberry Eyes. This is a small plant that I had put in this plant for my sister-in-law, and yes, this plant is also doing just wonderful. Look at the leaves. Oh my god, you are such a pretty little plant. And this plant is doing just wonderful, pretty. How can we forget this cutie pie? This is the ice plant. I forgot its botanical name. It's very tough, so let's call it the ice plant. It is generally called ice plant. A very slow growing plant, but yes, a pretty one. Look at the variegation. This is the variegated one. I have the ordinary variety also, but very slow growing, but I love them. This is my sedum, which is growing in another pot. At one time during the monsoons, I had almost lost them, but now yes, they are doing just wonderful. How can we miss this poinsettia? It's winters and poinsettia I have to show you. I feel Christmas or winter is incomplete without the poinsettia blooms. Look at the vibrant colors, a beautiful one. I just love the poinsettias. They are just gorgeous. Look at the beauty. Wonderful. This I had bought in the month of December before Christmas because I had to have one poinsettia in my collection. So this is it. Thank you, my dear friends, for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, be safe, be happy, and it's bye-bye for today. Bye.